Welcome back to my YouTube channel, dolls. If you're new to the channel, hey, my name is called Tabitha Giselle. If you're an old subscriber, I hope you're doing fine. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my at-home facial spa kind of vibes, what I do for my skin when I just want to give it some TLC and some attention and some love. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed creating it for you. Please leave me your comments in the comment section below. All the products that I've used, I'll list them in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started with the video. So guys, the first products that we are going to be using, or I'm going to be using rather, is my Dermalogica Clearing Wash, and this is an absolute godsend saver for my face, and I've been using this for the longest of times. Ever since I started having like hormonal acne, like breakouts, I just love using this cleanser. It really leaves my pores nice and clean. As you guys can see, I'm just working that product into the skin and really taking my time, because normally on a daily basis I don't get to really just work products and massage them into my skin the way that I am doing. So when I'm giving myself a facial, I really like making sure that I address each and every area of my face and give it the love that it deserves. So I literally just massage and lather on that cleanser all around my skin and like work that product in. Then after I finish cleansing my face, I go on straight on to steaming my face. I bought this steamer from Amazon. I absolutely love it, guys. It is also another godsend product for when you're pampering your skin. Steaming is so good for your blood circulation. It also helps with debunking the skin and decongesting the skin, loosening up things so that when you do go in for extraction, things are able to come out. So if you have blackheads, whiteheads, those will really come up to the surface after you steam. So I really love steaming. It also keeps you looking young and keeps your skin glowing, which is an absolute must that we need to always have. So I steam it for like a good 20 minutes. That's what I normally do. And then after that, I literally go in with my black peel off mask, and I bought this from Superdrug if you live in the UK, and it's just basically one of those peel off masks that basically extract all the blackheads and the whiteheads that build up. I normally have a lot of build up around my nose and just underneath my lips, around that area. That's where I find that all my dirt tends to collect. So I just put this on and leave it for literally a good 30 minutes till it like stiffens up a little bit. So whilst I've got that on, I do move on to applying this mask here from L'Oreal Paris, and it is the Pure Clay Detox Mask. I like to do like a multi-mask kind of situation when I'm giving my skin a pamper. I like to use two different products for two different concerns. So as you guys can see, I'm using the clay mask for the rest of my face because I just feel like I just needed that boost and to detoxify my skin from all that environment and bad damage and all that, you know, bad stuff that we're exposed to and our skin is exposed to all week. So I applied this to just help with cleaning my pores much more on a deeper level. So I do that, leave that on for about 20 minutes or 15, depends how quickly it sits into the skin and dries up. That's how much I normally go by. And then literally all I do is leave it, then move on to the next step, which is taking off that black peel off mask. It does hurt a little bit. Try to be gentle when you are taking it off, and try and taut your skin a little bit. That helps with not causing any friction, but it is not the most nicest of things to experience. So if you are sensitive and your skin is much more on the sensitive side, I wouldn't do this because you don't want to cause damage to your skin. So I'm just peeling it off and just being really rough with my skin, but I don't suggest you do this if you're going to be doing this on a client or anything like that. And then the next step is I washed all that masks off. I just went over with some warm water to get everything off. Then I'm going to go in with toning my face. If you guys want to see how to basically layer your products, I've got a video where I'm showing you how to layer your products on your skin for your skin routine, so make sure you do watch that video. I'll put it somewhere for you guys to reference to. It's a good one if you are confused about how to layer products. So that's just what I'm doing. I'm just toning my skin with some witch hazel, and this has really helped with shrinking my pores and tightening. I know a lot of beauty gurus and influencers don't like witch hazel, but for me it just works perfectly for my skin, so I continue using it. Then after that, I'm going to go in with my hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. Again, if you guys want to know what hyaluronic acid is, make sure you watch my video where I'm referencing to it and what amazing goodness it does for your skin. So I do have a video on that, make sure to watch it. So what I just do is I just quickly lather it into the skin, because with hyaluronic acid you need to work quickly, otherwise it starts peeling off. So I just literally just kind of, you know, put it in a slow motion. I don't rub it in too vigorously, it's just a tad bit, and then literally just go in with my moisturizer afterwards. So I'm just using this moisturizer. I cannot pronounce the name, but it's a hydrating moisturizer that is so fab for the skin. If you suffer from dry skin, or even just all types of skin, you can use this cream and moisturizer on all types of skin. It's just so good for hydrating the skin and keeping your skin looking and feeling supple. So I just you know, gently massage that product into the skin, take my time, as you guys can see, and also make sure you don't forget your neck, because whatever you do to the face, you want to make sure you do to the neck, so that you can keep that neck looking, you know, young and looking put together, hunty, because yeah, we don't want to be wrinkling on our neck. So that's what I'm just doing. And then we're going to move on to the last but not least treatment, which is the collagen. I'm using this collagen hydrogel eye patches, and I like to make sure that nowadays I take care of my under eyes, because it's so important, guys. Let's not neglect our under eyes, because we want to look young for a long time. So I use the Skin Republic hydrogel, and then whilst I have that on, I just apply a little bit of some, you know, lip gloss, so that I'm not looking ashy or anything like that. And literally, guys, that is it for my at-home spa facial. As you guys can see, I use a lot of products, don't use these every single day. So yeah, that is just my take on it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want me to do more videos like this, then definitely leave your suggestions in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you guys. Mwah.